keeping your white clothes bright and fresh can feel like an impossible task. In fact, some people avoid wearing white altogether just to dodge the hassle. But don't worry, I've got some tried and tested tips to help you keep your whites looking brand new. 1. Wash whites separately. I can't stress this enough. Separate your whites. If you're still chucking everything into one wash, it's time to break that habit. You might think you've been getting away with it, but trust me, it's only a matter of time before that rogue red sock turns your favourite shirt pink. Even if colours don't transfer, washing whites with darks or colours can make them look dull and grey over time. So if you want truly white whites, keep them separate. 2. Add lemon juice to your wash. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent that helps lift stains and brighten fabrics. If you don't have time to soak your clothes in hot water and lemon, just add some lemon juice directly to your wash cycle. It's an easy way to keep your whites looking crisp without any extra effort. 3. Aspirin. Believe it or not, aspirin can help restore the whiteness of your clothes. Crush up 5 300mg aspirin tablets and dissolve them in about 8 litres of hot water. Let your clothes soak for at least 8 hours, making sure they're fully submerged. It sounds weird, but it really works. 4. Add white vinegar to your rinse cycle. White vinegar is a laundry powerhouse. It removes stains, gets rid of odours and acts as a natural fabric softener. Just add a cup of white vinegar during the rinse cycle and let it work its magic. And don't worry, your clothes won't come out smelling like vinegar. 5. Dry your clothes outside in the sun. Whenever possible, dry your white clothes outside in the sunlight. Not only is this better for the environment, but the sun also acts as a natural bleaching agent. So skip the tumble dryer and let nature do the work for you. 6. Do a detergent-free load. Detergent is essential for getting your clothes clean, but over time it can build up on white fabrics and leave them looking yellow. To fix this, run your whites through a wash cycle without detergent. Instead, add a small amount of ammonia, which can help break down the residue and restore brightness. 7. Use bleach. If your whites are looking grey or have stubborn stains, bleach can be a great solution. There are a few types you can use, so let's go through them. Chlorine bleach is the strongest type of bleach and is great for removing stains and killing bacteria. But be careful. It's powerful stuff and needs to be diluted before use, and it shouldn't be mixed with anything else except water. Never pour chlorine bleach directly onto fabric as it can weaken the fibres. Instead, mix it with water and add it to the detergent drawer during the wash cycle. Also, keep in mind that chlorine bleach loses its effectiveness after about 6 months, so don't keep an old bottle lying around for too long. Oxygen bleach is a gentler alternative that's still great for stain removal. Unlike chlorine bleach, it doesn't have antibacterial properties, but it's safe to use on most fabrics except leather, silk and wool. Simply add the powder to your washing machine before putting in your clothes. For really tough stains, dissolve the powder in warm water, then soak your clothes for a few hours before washing. It's safe for coloured fabrics too. Hydrogen peroxide is another great stain remover and disinfectant. You might know it as the stuff used to clean cuts or bleach hair, but it works wonders on laundry as well. Just add a small amount to your wash and let it do its thing. But be careful, hydrogen peroxide can also remove colour, so always do a patch test first. Before using any bleach, do a patch test on an inconspicuous part of your clothing, like inside a pocket, for example. Always check the care label to see if your garment can handle bleach. And most importantly, wear gloves when handling bleach, especially chlorine bleach, as it can be quite harsh on your skin. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.